Hey everybody, Poketran here, back at it again with a very special episode. Today we're visiting our very first Pokemon Center vending machine. We have never done anything like this before. We're going to purchase our first ever
Yay, take it.
Pokemon packs from our vending machine. And we're going to hope and pray that we get something good. Got a cute little Pikachu.
Is it a
Let's
legit
see
machine?
how
So cute.
good we do on this purchase.
How are they gonna take it out? Oh my god, so last. Oh yeah. It's like a mini one.
Whoa.
Oh. That's $27?
Yeah.
You kidding?
What's up, everybody? Poketran here, back at it again with another box opening, and now we're back from the Pokemon Center vending machine, and we're gonna open our Temporal Forces booster bundle. Let's see if the vending machine has any magic, and if we can get some good pulls from the vending machine. So this booster bundle came at $27, and we're gonna see how much value we can get from that $27. So let's get this box open. So I made a little slit. Let's get started. So booster bundle comes with six booster packs, I believe. Yes, 6 booster packs, and at $27 for 6 booster packs, I think it's a decent deal. I wouldn't say it's the best value, but this is coming from our vending machine, so that was a very cool experience. The vending machine was in Torrance, LA. So if you guys are near Torrance, there is a vending machine in the Ralphs. So here we go. Let's see our packs. Booster bundle doesn't come with any sleeves, any cards. It's just straight up booster packs. So let's leave that right here. It's a nice box. Story cards. All right, so here we go. We got 6 packs. Let's see if we can hit any magic from the vending machine. So let's get started. First pack. I've always seen those vending machines online, but I've never seen one in person before. So being able to grab one myself was a great experience. So out of our first pack, let's see what we get. So we get Mariana, Duocean, Haunter, Pikachu, Bianca Devotion, Reuniclus, Explorer Guidance, Iron Hands, Leon Croc, and our hit is Iron Thorns. Nothing crazy. Iron Thorns is our hit. So far nothing of significance. Let's go into pack number 2. Temporal Forces has a lot of hits, especially the 3 legendary dogs. They're alternative forms. So let's see if we get anything. So we got Totodile, Deerling, Pidove, Panico, Subbux, Perilous Jungle, Unpheasant, Licky, Charjabug, and Drampa. Drampa. So far 2 packs in, no hits. Let's see if we can get at least one alt art. That would be very nice. One alt art is all I want. So we got Ghastly, Elgium, Silicipede, Meryl, Latias, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Iron Threads, Palafin, Iron Valiant, and our hit is Miraidon. Miraidon is our hit. So far, no full arts, no trainer gallery, no nothing. All duds. This is our 4th pack. We got 2 more packs after this. Alright. Meditite. Turtonator. Hoot Hoot. Scorch. Palafin. Airy. Boxed Order. Heatmore. Metal. Oof. Rough. 2 packs left. Let's see if we hit anything, or are we walking away disappointed from the vending machine. So far, the vending machine is not looking good. Nothing of value, as we can see. Beldum. Heatmore. Roly-Coly. Azumarill. Colossal. Boxed Order. Let's see what else. Screamtail. Whimsicott. Crocodile. And our hit is... Oh, Iron Boulder EX. Do not tell me this is the only hit we get from today. That would be very disappointing. So far, just Iron Bundle. I'll leave that right there. Oh my god, I do not feel good. We have 1 pack left. Can we get an alt art, trainer gallery, anything? Can we get anything? Oh, don't do me like this, Pokemon Center. Oh man. This might be my last vending machine purchase. Oh my goodness. Golett. Dunsparce. Snom. Mudbray. Buddy Poffin. Lecronic. Delcatty. Reboot Pod. I guess that's something, but nothing I like so far. Shiftry and Relicanth. Wow. What a dud. Do I recommend these booster boxes from the Pokemon vending machine? Absolutely not. Definitely save your money. Don't buy from the vending machine. Get it from your local card store, because damn, these packs are really garbage. Good night. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. Tell me what you think. Bye.